Okay guys, in today's video, today we're gonna Master Chef Toshiya Sato is gonna teach us how to cut professionally sushi rice with this hangiri. It's very traditional for Japanese to cut rice in here, and he's gonna show you the steps and everything that we use.
Things, this one the rice net. So I use the reason why this one not gonna stuck in the rice cooker, and can cook very well. Yeah.
Let me take a video. Wait, one second.
Okay.
Do it.
This is sushi vinegar. Just try to all over. Okay. Then I gotta cut. First things you have to do faster. This one, the big piece rice, I gotta broke. Yeah. Then you gotta cut.
Chef, so one of the reasons that why do we cut the rice for sushi? What's the main point of it? So why do we do this for sushi?
Cut?
Yeah, why do we cut the rice?
Yeah, because the rice is the rice,
Balls.
the balls.
Okay, so we're
Yeah.
trying to break the grains,
So everything. Yeah.
and we're not trying to smash the grain, so we don't break the grain. We try to keep the grain whole in one piece. So he's very gently, but moving with the rice.
Okay. That's it.
That's it.
Take off the rice.
It's very important, guys, that all the rice are together. No rice should be left by itself because it will get dry and hard. So all the rice has to be together.
And then after 5 minutes, flip.
Flip. Okay. Hi.
Another 5 minutes. Then you gotta put the rice warm.
Chef, so can you explain a little bit about the hangiri? What do we use the hangiri for?
Hungry, this one around. So when you cut very easy. And the Miyajima is the big, cut like this. Yeah.
Hi. Chef, so the wooden, this is not wooden, this is made out of bamboo or wood?
This is wood.
Wood?
Okay.
Okay.
This is wood. Yeah. This one you don't use. Keep a little bit of water and make a little wet. Yeah, humidity. Otherwise, they get dry and this one broken.
Okay. Hi, yeah. So guys, so he said that when you guys finish using the hangiri, is make sure you guys keep it wet and on a cool place, so because the hangiri could get dry and it could break. So go. So this hangiri, Toshiya-san said that he absorbs a little bit of moisture of the rice. So that's why we don't do it on a metal bowl, because this actually helps the rice to get cold a little bit and in a safer way. So right now he's flipping the rice because of the vinegar, right, chef? So the
This one is to make it cool down.
cool down. Okay, hi.
Yeah. Cool down.
Yeah.
After cut, don't cut.
Don't cut too much.
Yeah.
Okay. So one of the reasons that why you do that, chef, because you try to touch the rice the less possible, so the grain doesn't break. Or what's your thoughts on that?
No, the rice will be more sticky.
Okay.
So it's no good. Yeah. The after cut, just leave it and then just make cool down. But I flip, so it's more to cool down faster.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, chef.
Then put the rice water. The rice warmer.
Rice one. Hi. So you try not to touch the rice too much. That's one of the keys to have successfully sushi rice. Okay. Hi. So Toshiya-san is finishing the rice. So pretty much he broke it, and when he flips it, he's not breaking it again. He's just putting it directly. to the rice warmer. This keeps the rice warmer for the best temperature to make sushi and makis and everything has to be with the sushi rice. Alright guys, thank you for tuning up. Make sure you guys share this video, like this video, and subscribe. We really appreciate it.